Morning, everyone. Welcome to Shandong Longzhe machine. Today we are shipping 2 units of our charcoal briquette machine to Africa. Behind me, I can see that those 2 units of briquette machine with an electric motor, 30 kilowatt. The capacity for this machine is 500 to 800 kilograms per hour. This briquette machine with an 3 meters screw conveyor, and this area is the input part for screw press. And here is the heating pipes for this output briquette, and the temperature required for this heating pipes is 350 degrees, and you can get 50 millimeters hollow center briquette. And after making the briquette, we need to put the briquette to a carbonization machine to make it becomes charcoal. So the charcoal can be used for barbecue, for cooking, for heating purpose. It is very popular used in the market. Okay, everyone. If you have any interest in Longzhe charcoal briquette machine, please send your requirement to our team. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye bye.